Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular channel page. We have another Operation Weather. There is a change in that wind advisory right now. We have a wind advisory in effect for Crawford and several Ohio counties until 12 midnight this evening. This is from late this e- until late this evening. So they're saying what southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusts up to 55 miles per hour, and gusty winds could blow on certain objects, tree limbs, and excuse me, a few power outages in this as well. So again, we have a wind advisory in effect for Crawford and two of the Ohio counties and several Ohio counties until until 12 a.m. tonight. So also there's a change in one of the Erie counties. They're calling for a high wind warning in effect for northern Erie counties until late tonight into tomorrow. Damaging winds might get down trees and power outages as well. Supposed to call for a wind, actually calling for two storms actually. On there as well. Again, there's a wind advisories for Crawford and Ohio counties till 8 o'clock until 12 a.m. tonight, and then a high wind warning for northern Erie until late this evening. That's all they're going to get. I already did read the weather forecast since there was a cause of that. I just did the Operation Weather a moment ago, but a severe thunderstorm watch was in effect for all of Ohio, Pennsylvania, and a few counties in West Virginia, and that's about it. So, because today they're calling for showers and thunderstorms likely with gusty winds and small hail possible. And then tonight, some places are calling for a leftover shower or snow. Some places are supposed to call for a few rain showers, and some places are calling for a few rain and snow showers, including Titusville, is what I heard on there too. So, supposed to call for a wind threat, tornado threat, and a hail threat was all they're calling for. But those thunderstorms are going to be likely start at like 2 o'clock. And then thunderstorms The ones in Erie, they're saying thunderstorms are done till 5 o'clock. And then Crawford's thunderstorms are done around 3, 4 o'clock. If there's any changes of that severe thunderstorm watch, it decides to cancel, especially before 8 o'clock, we'll let you know. We'll do that as well. And we'll review the weather forecast for tonight, and that's about it. And that will be it. The one in Madeville saying thunderstorms are done around 3, but Titusville saying the weather's done till 4. So, I think the thunderstorms in Titusville's not going to start till after 2 anyway. So. All right, we've been around. We're going around 6 minutes. This is my last operation weather. It's left on there. So, and I have one video I gotta do coming up. It's a truck video after the train comes by. After the train went by yesterday. So we're gonna get off. Again, we have a wind advisories in effect. Did you get the counties for Ohio? Oh yeah, I didn't get. Oh yeah, I need to tell you the counties for Ohio. That's right. Asheville, Inland, Summit, Portridge, Trumbull, Stark, and Mahon counties in Pennsylvania, and the only Pennsylvania one was Crawford. That was it. No, because Erie's under a high wind warning, and that's it. They didn't say what cities in Erie or what counties or what cities. So keep in mind though. So. All right, we've been around for 8 minutes. As I said, this is my last operation weather change, or unless there's any severe weather or severe thunderstorm updates, we'll have a change. I'll let you know. So we're gonna get off. Again, we have a wind advisories in effect for Ohio, or for Crawford, and a few Ohio counties until until 8 until 12 midnight this evening, and they're also calling for a high wind warning in effect for northern Erie counties until 8 o'clock. No, until late this evening, late tonight into tomorrow is what I heard on there. So, but we're gonna get off here, and we'll get back on with the next truck. I got one truck video I want to put up. I want to see if we have any more truck videos. I got other than that. The only truck video I got was a WM garbage truck, but that was it. Everything else, and then we did an Operation Weather that yesterday. So, but we're gonna get off here, and we'll get back on with the first and only truck video. That will be that That will be the it's not on this phone, it has to be this one. We'll get back on with the next truck. Turn the volume off so we don't want the viewers to hear it. That will be the Castle Metals semi truck heading towards East Titusville, Pennsylvania is what it is right now. So we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with this truck video. Talk to you later.